In this video, I'm going to show you two ways of using bitter leaves to treat your fish. But before we move into that, let's even look at the reasons why you should even use bitter leaves in the first place. Why should you even apply bitter leaves in your fish farm? First and foremost, bitter leaves helps in stress reduction. When you realize that your fish is being through stress, either you have transported them, either you have changed their water, or anything that has happened in the fish that has taken the fish through stress, then the natural remedy is to add bitter leaves into the fish pond. Another reason is that bitter leaves also boost the immune system of the fish. And when that happens, it means that they are going to be strong enough to fight diseases internally. So adding bitter leaves into the fish also boosts their immune system. Another reason is that bitter leaves is very easy and simple to get. You can easily plant bitter leaves at your backyard or in your fish farm just by cutting the stem of the bitter leaves and plant it, and it will bear leaves and grow. So it is very easy and simple to apply bitter leaves. Now, bitter leaves also promotes digestion. So when you always add bitter leaves into your fish, they easily develop digestive enzymes that will contribute to the highest food conversion ratio. And when that happens, it's going to also promote their growth, because when they eat very well and there's a digestion and then they keep eating, then they'll grow bigger no sooner. So bitter leaves, like I said, is a must-have plant in your fish farm. If you don't have some, kindly try to do so. I've had a video on the importance and benefits of bitter leaves. Kindly check in the description for that video. Now let's move into the application of bitter leaves. Before we go that, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like the video. Now, there are two ways of applying bitter leaves. There are several, but I am using these two ways. And the last one is the most cherished one that I use. So first and foremost, you pluck the bitter leaves and then you remove the stems from it and then wash it very well. Wash it thoroughly to make sure that all dust and possible contaminations are removed from the leaves. After that, cut the leaves into small pieces. And before you apply this, make sure that your fish are hungry. Do not feed them at the time that you are going to give them the remedy or the bitter leaves. When they are hungry, then they are ready to take anything, especially the medicine. So allow them to be hungry the day or the morning that you are going to do this. Don't feed them yet. Then when you finish cutting or tearing the bitter leaves into small pieces, then the next thing to do is to easily take some into the fish pond gradually, and then you realize that the fish is going to be picking up the bitter leaves and be swollen. This is going straight to their stomach, and that will cure their stomach pains. So this method is very good for fish suffering from stomach pains. It's very effective, but like I said, the fish must be hungry, and the fish must also be bigger ones. This method cannot be applied to fingerlings or situations where the fish are still small. They cannot swallow it. So the second method will be the best method if you are using if you are feeding fingerlings or small ones. The second method of using the bitter leaves is that when you pluck the bitter leaves from the tree or from the plant, First thing first, you need to wash it thoroughly and make sure that all the dust and other contaminations are gone. Wash it thoroughly. After the washing, put it in the mortar and use pestle to pound it or grind it very well. This is not the only way. You can also use blender or whatever that method you will do to blend or to grind the leaves into tiny or pieces. Then when you grind it that way, then what you also do is that you will add water into that. Add enough water to make sure that it is enough, and then you dissolve it. Use your hand or whatever that you're going to use to stir everything completely to make sure that it is well mixed. Then you remove the fiber of it from the water. You can just use your hand to pick them out, or you can also use something to sieve it. Pass it through a net or something that will sieve it and take the liquid and remove the fiber from it and throw the fiber away. Then this method is very good to reduce the level of the water before the application. Now, before you do that, make sure that the level of the water is reduced to minimum. Though you can leave it as large quantity as possible, but that will not be effective. And that means that you need to get large quantity of the bitter leaves to be able to neutralize the water. But when you reduce it to the level that it can easily be neutralized, then that will help. So after removing the fiber from it, then come and pour the mixture into the fish pond. Do not just add it once or pour it once. Put it across. Pour some here, pour some there, and then gradually it will mix. But don't just come and put it at one place to make that place concentrated, whilst other places are not having. So once you pour in it, the fish will be swimming in the water, and as they are swimming, you will realize that bubbles or foams are going to be forming in the fish pond. So these bubbles are from the bitter leaves. To allow them to swim for a while, then you top up the water. This, as I mentioned, the benefits, is going to help your fish tremendously. Please, if I have provided value, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, and like the video. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. Thank you for watching, and this is Fako